if you want it.
Haitian All-StarZ.
Got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
What's up, y'all? DJ Hard Hittin Harry live and direct. We're live in Times Square right now on a serious Love Save Japan movement. It's called Love Save Kids. And this is my girl Mariko. You know what I mean?
Hi, this is the second time we come back here in New York City, Times Square. Lions Club. Everything 100% donation goes to Lions Club. Love Save Japan, Love Save Kids. So we're going to collaborate this again on Love Save Kids for Haiti and Japan. Coming soon.
So listen, Mariko, DJ Hard Hittin Harry, Team Haitian All-StarZ. We're about to get it in on the ones and twos, so the next time you see me, I'm gonna be on the turntables, alright? This is how we doing it. Love Save Japan, Love Save Kids, DJ Hard Hittin Harry, Team Haitian All-StarZ.
Killing it,
Let's go. Brooklyn all day, we're about to get it in. Alright? Let's go. JC, what's good?
The scars of your love remind me of
Where all my ladies at? All my ladies in the building, make some noise!
Set it home. The scars of your love beneath me, breathless.
I came to party!
Feeling.
We could have had it. Hey! Hey! You have a heart and style. Pick up all my Haitian masses! If you got love for Japan, make some noise! If you got love for Haiti, make some noise! Representing Team Haitian All-StarZ. Hey, let's go. Pick up to my girl Mariko. Love Save Japan, Love Save Kids movement.
Baby, I have no.
DJ Hard Hittin Harry.
It's all about Love Save Japan today, y'all. Love Save Kids. DJ Hard Hittin Harry. Come on. Once again, New York City. We're live in Times Square. Love Save Japan movement. Love Save Kids. Pick up my girl Mariko. Yours truly, DJ Hard Hittin Harry. Team Haitian All-StarZ. Unity Sound. Brooklyn. I said Brooklyn. I said Brooklyn. All my Haitians. IET. Haiti loves Japan movement right now. Come on.
Looking for freedom, joking or crying, looking for freedom, some fighting for justice.
Big up to the Earthman Experience crew. DJ Hard Hittin Harry. We're fighting for living. We're fighting for living right now. Love Save Japan. Fighting for life. DJ Hard Hittin Harry. Team Haitian All-StarZ. Earthman Experience.
Now repeat after me. You're repeating after me. Everybody repeat after me. Watch me. Say I love soca. I love soca. 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 Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream.
So many people died, so salute to all the people that passed away in Japan and Haiti, and we came together in unity to bring this event to you today. You know what I mean? So make some noise for yourselves. Thank you so much for all your donations, because 100% of your donations will go to Japan. And then we're going to do another event for Haiti down the line, so stay in touch. And this is Love Save Japan. Love Save Japan. Go to Facebook, Love Save Japan. Love Save Kids. This is Mariko, Pesu. My name is DJ Hard Hittin Harry. I'd like to thank all of our DJs today. The legendary DJ Marley Marl, who came through earlier. The legendary DJ Marley Marl, Juice Crew. DJ Munari, DJ Martin, DJ Dax. Yours truly, my man, DJ Katsu, Dutch Stocks, alright, Mitch from Yard Beat, all the painters, man, big up to all the painters that did their thing today. Salute to all the painters that sold paintings today. 100% of the profits to Japan, alright? So on that note, I want everybody to put one finger in the air, one finger in the air. When I say one, you say one. When I say love, you say love. One, love. One, love. One, love. One, love. Good night, everybody. Thank you so much for coming out.
Haitian All-StarZ.